DIY no-pedal e-bikes.
Since 2014.
Unboxing of new D&M front and rear shocks. This purchase included both front and rear shocks from Alibaba. D&M forks are high-quality suspension forks designed for various types of bicycles. They offer smooth and controlled suspension travel, helping to absorb shocks and bumps while riding. D&M forks are known for their durability and performance, making them a popular choice among DIY e-bike builders. USD upside-down, or inverted forks are a type of front suspension system used in motorcycles. They have the heavier section of the frame located closer to the bike's frame, reducing unsprung weight and friction. This design allows the front wheel to better absorb bumps and increases its ability to travel over uneven terrain. Additionally, USD forks are known for enhancing the bike's visual appeal. Inverted forks have a weight advantage over conventional front ends because their fork tubes are shorter and thinner compared to traditional forks. The steel fork tube in a conventional fork assembly is the heaviest component. The reduced weight of inverted forks results in lower steering inertia and improved responsiveness in terms of handling. The main advantages of a coil-sprung rear shock, such as the D&M rear shock, are improved sensitivity to small bumps, better support in the middle of the stroke, and often superior damper performance. These benefits are primarily achieved by reducing stiction, which is the static friction between components. In conclusion, these D&M shock absorbers play a crucial role in building safe DIY e-bikes. By effectively decelerating fast-moving equipment without causing jarring impacts or bouncing, they enhance the overall riding experience. Also, these shock absorbers are known for their remarkable durability, offering a great number of maintenance-free performance. Whether it's for smooth commuting or tackling rugged terrain, the D&M shock absorbers ensure a comfortable and safe ride.
Like, subscribe and enjoy the ride.